In teamwork, there may often be a case where several new projects will follow the same structure. With the new project templates feature, you can now create a template with which you can base any of those similar projects on, saving you a ton of time in setting up your projects and allowing you and your team to hit the ground running. To access project templates, just make sure that we've selected the project section and then just choose the templates tab. So here we'll see a full list of all of our project templates, and I currently have 2 templates that I've created, and we can easily click on one of these templates to get more information about that template. So we can see the duration and the contents. If we select the options drop down on the left hand side, we can edit our template, use our template, copy our template, or delete our template. If we want to add a new template, that's really easy. All we have to do is select add template. Now in the add project template window, the first thing that we need to do is give our template a name. If we want to add any more information about our template, we can easily do so in the description. In the company tab, we select the company responsible for this template. We can decide which people should be added to this project. We can easily search for existing users, or indeed just scroll through and select the users that we want. We can also choose our project owner, and I'll go with myself. And if we need to, we can also invite new users here. Over in the features tab, we can select which features we want enabled or disabled for this project template. So let's say here that I do want messages, but I don't want risks. Looking now at our dates tab, where we can decide whether or not projects made from this template target the start date or end date by default. So let's say here that I want end date. And now looking at the advanced tab, where we can add this template into a category or add any tags. And once we're happy with all of this information, we can just add our project template and begin adding tasks, milestones, etc. Now when constructing our tasks, milestones, etc. and filling out our template, this all works in the exact same way as it does for a regular project. And I'm just going to go ahead and add some task lists, add some tasks, milestones, etc. And then we can look at using our template for a new project. Now I've added some tasks, milestones, etc. to our project template. And if we want to make use of this template in a new project, then all we need to do is select use template, where we can now add our project. And the first thing that we need to do is add the name for our project. Down here we're notified that this project is being created from this template, and we can easily remove or change this if we want to. Below this we can add our description for this new project. We can select the company. We can select which users have access to this project. By default it will inherit the users from your template. However, we can indeed remove or add users as we see fit. Likewise, in the features and content tab, we can customize the features that we want added in. As well as being able to customize the features, we can customize the content of those features. For instance, in tasks here, we can choose to include the 3 task lists, but maybe we don't want to include the tasks. However, let's say that I do want to include the tasks, and down here we can also choose whether or not we want to include followers. Moving on to the dates tab now, and here we set our project dates. We can choose whether or not we want to allow tasks and milestone dates to fall on weekends. So let's say that I don't want this to happen. Next up, we can choose if our date starts at or ends on that particular date. And let's say that I want this project to end in July, let's say 31st. And now looking at the advanced tab, again we can add our category, we can add tags, and we can choose to create a project channel in Teamwork Chat. And now once we're happy, all we have to do is select add project. There you go, now we've successfully created our project directly from our project template. So if we go over to the tasks tab, you can see that all of those tasks and milestones have been inherited from our template. And that's it. That's how easy it is to add and use project templates. If you have any further questions, feel free to contact us, support@teamwork.com.